Hi guys, my name is Parthiv and I've come here from New Jersey, and I've come to Mumbai to learn cooking from one of the best chefs, that is Chef Harpal Singh. And over the past week I've learned so many incredible recipes, and I would like to share one of those with you. That is aloo tikki, and we're going to stuff it with some green peas. So let's get started. 1 tablespoon of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of Hing, some cumin, 1 inch finely chopped ginger, 1 to 2 finely chopped green chilies. Stir it for about a minute. 1 whole finely chopped onion. Cook it until the onions turn pinkish brown. Add a little bit of oil. Now we're going to take the green peas, which we boiled and coarsely grounded. We've been sauteing the green peas for about a minute, and now we're going to add the ground spices, a little bit of turmeric, freshly ground garam masala. Let's cook that. A little bit of salt, namak shamak, as chef would say. And now let's continue to cook for 1 more minute. You can smell all the great flavors that we have put in, all the ground spices. We're going to cook for a few more seconds. Now add fresh coriander, chopped. Okay, so now the stuffing is cooked. We're going to transfer it to a bowl. That's our stuffing. Look how beautiful the green color is. We're going to grate these boiled potatoes. And now, to make sure that the potatoes are well binded, we're going to use some corn flour, some maida, some salt, and some chaat masala. We're now going to mix them well. So in case if your hands get sticky, you can spray a little bit of oil. And now we're going to make about 10 to 12 small tikkis, aloo tikki. Okay, so now we're going to take this aloo, we're going to stuff it with our green pea mixture. Close this into it. And now we're going to shallow fry this. Alright, so now we made about 4 aloo tikkis, and we're going to shallow fry them. We're going to shallow fry them until golden brown. Looks like they should be done by now, so let's flip them over and see if it's a nice golden brown. Oh wow, look at that. Let's flip this one over. Now that's the golden brown color that you want. Okay, so it looks like they're done. Let's take them out and put them on this paper so you can soak the extra oil. It's time to dress it up. Now we're going to sprinkle some chaat masala, fresh coriander. And there you have it. Aloo tikki stuffed with green peas, served with some mint and coriander chutney and imli chutney.